Hey guys, this is Kemi, and today I'll be showing you how to find the ionic compound of beryllium and sulfur.
Hi guys, I'm Madison, and today I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to find the ionic compound, covalent compound, base compound, and acid of different elements. Now, you are not able to see our faces in every single one of these clips. However, you will be able to tell it's us by the colors of our shirts, our watches, our voices, and also you can kind of see some of our face in some of the clips. We're very sorry about the technical difficulties. It was just way easier to film it this way, and the other way to film it would have been way messier. So enjoy. Okay guys, so this is really simple. We start off by writing Be because that is the symbol for beryllium. And we give it 6 because it needs 6 valence electrons in order to be full. Next, we take sulfur and we use S because that's its symbol. And we give it a 2 because it only needs 2 in order to be full. Now we're going to put it all together, and we're going to put Be 2 S 6. Now we switch these when we put it all together. Okay, now it's time to give it a name. So the first element always stays the same, so we're just going to give it the name beryllium. However, for the second guy, we're going to cross out the ending, and we're going to replace it with IDE because it's an element on the periodic table. So the name ends up becoming beryllium sulfide. Okay, y'all, so next we're going to be talking about the covalent compound of nitrogen chloride. So we start off by writing an N for nitrogen because that's its symbol, and we give it a 3 because it needs 3 in order to be a full octet. Next, we're going to be doing chloride. Chloride is a simple Cl, and it only needs 1 in order to be a full octet. Now, in order to make it a compound, we have to combine the two, and to do that, we're going to be writing an N, but we're going to switch these two. And we're going to leave this alone because when you have 1, you don't need to show that. And we're going to write Cl into 3 right there. Okay, now it's time to name this guy. So when you're naming, you always leave the first element alone. So the first name is obviously just going to be nitrogen. However, we need to name chloride. Now, as you can see, there's 3 chlorides, and 3 is always tri. And then we're just going to write the rest of it. Trichloride. And that is your element.
So for strontium, you're going to write SR2. And we write 2 because it has 2 valence electrons. The first element, it always has a positive charge. So for hydroxide, you're going to write OH1. Okay. And we put a negative because the second one always has a negative charge. And so now we're going to write SR. And then we're going to put the parentheses around the OH. And then just like the other times, we're going to flip, and it's going to be 2. So now for naming. So as always, the first one always stays the regular way. Strontium. And so now we change hydroxide to dihydroxide because it has 2. And I equals 2. And so now we're going to put dihydroxide. And there you go.
Okay, so next we're going to be learning how to name this acid. So my very first tip for y'all is when you see this word hydro, you're automatically going to have the word acid at the very end. So we're just going to put that. But now we have to figure out what to name this, right? So we're going to start off by seeing that this is hydrogen, and its symbol is H, right? And now we have chloride, and its symbol is ClO2, right? But now we have to name it. So as you guys can see here, we have the suffix ITE. Now when you have the suffix ITE, think of Sprite is delicious. So instead of having ITE, we're going to have OUS like the word delicious. Okay, so we're going to combine the hydrogen and the chlorus words, right? So we're going to start by saying hydro, and we're going to put the word chlorus. And then of course we have our ending, acid. Thank you for watching. Chemistry is super duper simple. All you have to do is take it step by step. I hope this video helped you out, and good luck.